Hey guys, this is Mr. Golias, and we're taking a look at the Dreamboard requirements. We're adding a picture for each question and sub-question from Dreamboard QOD Part 1 and 2. So if I click back, here was Part 1 for this rotation. There's my 4 questions there. And then there are 4 more that were here, but notice how many parts there are. Like question 7 is a great example. Marriage, family, pets, friends, best family traditions kept or created. I mean, I've had people get 6 different pictures just out of this one question. Also notice that when it says faith spiritual, it says only if comfortable sharing. We want to honor people whether they're comfortable or not. So that's how we handle that one. You'll go through each one and you will find images that you are going to place on a blank one. And to make your new slide that you're going to make blank, all you need to do is go to apply layout, and down here it says blank. So to get a picture like that, I just went to Google, put basketball champs, it related to the coaching I do. We can right click it, save or copy image, and then come right back and paste the image and it will pop up. You can resize your images, and you're going to go through all of those. So a minimum of 15 total pictures. Each one of these should be a feel-good picture. That means it's one that gives you joy, happiness. Just looking at it, it reminds you of the good things that hopefully are to come for you. And then finally, we need to cover the whole slide. So this is the start. Here is an example of one I made that really brings me joy when I look at it, and it just has all the different pictures from helping students graduate and hopefully become the type of people that help others to the mountaintops of their goals, to just hoping to be married and hit long anniversary dates like 45th and beyond, hopefully adding a sibling for my son this year. Just all kinds of great positive goals and memories are all summed up in this dream board. So now it is your turn to make yours. I wish you good luck.